We welcome to 9th Global Entrepreneurship and Business Management Summit. Date November 29 to 30, 2023. Venue Toronto, Canada. Benefits to attending the conference: Best Poster Award, Group Registration Advantages, Top Industries Representations, Outstanding Young Research Award. Keynote speaker: Laura Beauparlant, Country, Canada. Claudio Sorrentino, Country, USA. Kathleen Tribe, Country, Canada. Market analysis: a business setup is the plan for taking a conception for a good or service and turning it into a workable business proposition. The request exploration element of your setup demonstrates that there's a specific request niche that your business will target. This study gives you the provocation to make your selling and deals setup. Major sessions: Entrepreneurship, Strategic Management, Startup Entrepreneurship, Accounting and Sustainability. Abstract submission deadline April 29, 2023. Final bird date of registration November 29, 2023. Book your slot now.